morning, boys and girls. You're going to notice a little bit different of a format today on today's slides. First, you might notice that along with my Bitmoji is another person. That's because for the next few weeks, Miss and I have teamed up to kind of work together for making your slides and your activities. So please be careful on the side. There's a daily check-in for our class, and there's a daily check-in for her class. Please make sure you pick the right one. Okay? Everything else is still the same. You still have a morning message. You still have an activity that you can do, and all of these cool things. The next slide is also familiar to you. It's just a daily agenda of the activities you should be doing. This is very similar to last week in that you should kind of follow the order that the subjects are in on the agenda, meaning you're going to want to do reading first and then writing. Today's Spirit Day is Friendship Day. Call up a friend on the phone or on video chat. It could be a cousin, an aunt, an uncle, grandma, but call somebody up and talk to them. Ask them how they're doing. You can find a virtual game to play online if you're doing like a Zoom meeting or something with your friends, or a Google Meet. Something I love to play is it's Scribble.io, and it's basically Pictionary online. If you are sincere talking about my class, we're going to focus on the read aloud for us. For Tuesday, today, I'd like you to listen to chapters 7 and 8 of Charlotte's Web. Okay? We will be reading up to chapter 12 this week, and there will be a reflection on these chapters once you have finished all of those readings. The next slide has Miss Er's read aloud for the week. They're still finishing up who was Sacagawea. If you want to re-listen to them, you are more than welcome. Otherwise, please focus on Charlotte's Web. For reading today, your goal for the week is to explore multiple fairy tales and identify story elements of those fairy tales. If you recall, back in second grade, you did a lot of work with fairy tales. In fact, you even wrote your own fractured fairy tales. And we're going to be doing something very similar at the end of third grade as well. The first thing I'd like you to do is explore the Epic collection of these fairy tales on Epic. And then you're going to fill out the graphic organizer for one of the fairy tales. So the fairy tale organizer looks like this. And you're basically going to keep track of the setting, characters, problem, solution, and any magic that happens in one of the fairy tales that you've read today. For writing, I'd like you to answer the following question on Google Classroom. If you go to Google Classroom in the writing section, there will be a template for you to type in. It says, what is your favorite fairy tale and why? So this could be your favorite fairy tale in general, or the favorite fairy tale that you read today on Epic. Which one was your favorite and why? Next up is math. Your math goal this week is to simply review Unit 7 concepts and topics about fractions. So you're going to complete the open response. Again, you're going to need to print this out, or you can just do it on a separate piece of paper and send it to me. Please, 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 please don't forget to use your tools. You should have a fraction number line, you should have your fraction circles on ConnectEd, and you should have the fraction bars that many of you maybe printed out for a past lesson. But please use your fraction tools to be able to compare the slices of pizza. And that's Miss and I sharing our heart-shaped pizza. Social studies for today, you're going to be taking a survey. Something I asked in a previous chat was which countries you might be interested in. So today you're going to take a survey on the countries that I found that had different versions of fairy tales, and you're going to pick which country you would be most interested in researching further. And last but not least are any early finisher activities. Okay, if you have any questions, I'm here all day. Please don't hesitate to ask.